Hi, I'm Dhiren. Welcome to my channel Ride the AI Tide. The AI tide is here. Let's ride the tide together, so to speak. Let us transform uncertainty into opportunity. Let's not just survive this revolution, let us lead it. I recently retired after working in information technology for over 40 years, long enough to see how each technological shift brings both fear and opportunity. Having worked extensively with AI, I had the privilege to help in shaping the ethical guidelines for the use of AI for my organization. I am here to share what I have learned so that you can navigate this AI wave with confidence. What I care about most is helping you understand and navigate with confidence this world of AI. Because AI isn't just for techies anymore, it's for all of us. Recently, in an interview with CNN, Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI and Nobel Prize winner, delivered a severe warning about the unprecedented speed of artificial intelligence. AI is advancing at an unprecedented rate. There are potential risks to humanity. He emphasized that AI is no longer a distant threat but an immediate concern that could reshape our society within the next year. AI is advancing faster than expected. He predicts a wave of job losses unlike anything seen since the Industrial Revolution, hitting both blue-collar and white-collar jobs. Unlike the Industrial Revolution, which replaced physical labor, Hinton warns that the AI revolution threatens to make human intelligence itself irrelevant. Right now, different people are having the exact same nightmare. They are asking, is this the end of my career, my business, my livelihood? This isn't about becoming an AI expert overnight. It is about finding your unshakable position in the new landscape. This channel is here to help you become that person, responsive, resilient, and ready. On this channel, we will tackle the practical side, the prompts, the tools, and the skills to future-proof your career. We will explore what AI means for our identity, our ethics, and our future. AI isn't your replacement. It's your evolution. AI automates tasks, not minds. This channel isn't about complex code, it's your survival kit for the AI revolution. Practical, hopeful, and human. We will tackle job fears head on. We will turn AI into your smart assistant anytime, anywhere. We will build your unshakable confidence. This AI revolution is happening. Let's not just survive this revolution, let's lead it. Let's ride the tide together, so to speak. Subscribe now, and together we will transform the fear of AI into an opportunity. Thank you for watching.